Welcome to Salika Mag. In today's tutorial we will learn how you can reuse any old pajama. So first you need to mark according to your desired size. Here I'm marking 4 inches by 12 inches. Centimeter is also written on the screen, you can check, and just cut this piece. And remember that this is a two-fold obviously, so just I need this piece for this project. And we are going to make something that is very useful especially in winter. But see, just I need to stitch all this way. Just I will open, leave it open 2 inches here, and stitch all other 3 lines. So after stitching this, I will show you what is the next step. See, this is the opening. Now just cut the corner so that when you turn it inside out, the corner will be sharp and smooth. So see, that's how with the help of a scissor you can make it more neat. And make sure that you press it properly. This is a very easy project for beginners. So now I just take a funnel, or you, if you don't have, you can make with a paper just by folding it like something like this and cut from here. So now I need a cup of rice. Yes, a cup of raw rice. And now you can insert your funnel or with the paper. Let me show you with the help of the paper. So see, that's how you have to put the rice inside this. And after filling almost 1/3 or a cup of this rice, we will stitch it in one section. So I will show you how you can do that. See, till here I just fill it, and now I will stitch here. Make sure that when you stitch, no rice grain is under your needle, so that you can stitch it easily. So basically I just divide this piece in 3 section, and now I just stitch one section. Now for the other section, see, I just stitch the right side. Now from the left side of the section I will fill it up and stitch it again. And then after that we will fill the center part. So center part is at the last. So see, now the left side is also done, and I will stitch here as well, and then I will fill the middle part. Hope you understand this. And if you are thinking what is we are going to make, you can guess in the comments. Otherwise in the end of the video you will know that what is this. See, now the just stitch this side, the closing, and the other side as well. And this is your warm bag. To if you have any injury or anything, you can just use this warmer bag. Just put it in an oven, and this is very easily you can carry in your handbag. Hope you